You are watching AliAziz Quality Education YouTube channel.
Introduction to Mechatronics in BSc Aircraft Maintenance Engineering Technology, AMET, by AliAziz Quality Education.
AliAziz Quality Education channel, providing you the aviation industry-related videos. So don't forget the subscription button.
Mechatronics is an interdisciplinary field that combines mechanical engineering, electronics, control systems, and computer engineering to design and operate intelligent systems. In the context of aviation, mechatronics plays a crucial role in modern aircraft systems such as fly-by-wire controls, landing gear systems, flight control actuators, autopilot, and engine management systems. The subject Introduction to Mechatronics provides AMET students with the foundational knowledge of how mechanical systems integrate with electronic control and computer programming to improve aircraft safety, efficiency, and reliability. Objectives of subject Introduction to Mechatronics. To understand the principles of mechanical, electrical, and electronic integration. To study sensors, actuators, and control systems used in aircraft. To introduce the role of microcontrollers and digital systems in aviation mechatronics. To learn about automation and robotics concepts applied to aerospace. To build a foundation for advanced studies in avionics, control engineering, and automation. Main topics covered. 1. Fundamentals of mechatronics. Definition and scope of mechatronics. Role of mechatronics in aerospace engineering. Systems approach, integrating mechanics, electronics, and computing. 2. Sensors and transducers. Types of sensors in aviation. Temperature sensors, pressure sensors, proximity sensors. Gyroscopes and accelerometers, used in navigation. Signal conditioning and processing. Role of sensors in flight control and monitoring systems. 3. Actuators. Electrical actuators, solenoids, relays, stepper motors. Hydraulic and pneumatic actuators in aircraft. Electrohydrostatic actuators in fly-by-wire systems. Applications in landing gear, flight control surfaces, and braking systems. 4. Control systems. Basics of feedback and open/closed loop systems. PID controllers and their application in aviation. Automatic control in autopilot and engine systems. Stability, response, and reliability in flight control. 5. Microcontrollers and embedded systems. Introduction to microcontrollers and programmable logic devices. Use in avionics and flight management systems. Signal conversion, analog to digital, digital to analog. Communication with sensors and actuators. 6. Aircraft applications of mechatronics. Fly-by-wire technology, replacing mechanical linkages with electronic signals. Autopilot systems, automatic flight control and navigation. Landing gear systems, mechatronic control of extension and retraction. Engine control systems, FADEC, full authority digital engine control. Cabin and environmental systems, automated control of temperature, pressure, and lighting. Importance for AMET students. Provides knowledge of how mechanics, electronics, and computer systems work together in modern aircraft. Prepares students to handle advanced aircraft technologies like fly-by-wire and digital control systems. Builds a foundation for careers in avionics, robotics, and automation in aerospace. Enhances problem-solving and troubleshooting skills for integrated aircraft systems. Airplane career relevance. Students who master mechatronics in AMET can pursue careers as aircraft maintenance engineers, avionics and mechanical integration. Aerospace systems engineer. Control systems engineer. Avionics and automation specialist. R&D engineer in advanced aerospace technologies. Conclusion. Introduction to Mechatronics is a vital subject in the AMET curriculum, bridging mechanical systems with electronics and computing. It prepares future aircraft maintenance engineers to understand and maintain complex integrated systems that ensure safety, reliability, and efficiency in modern aviation.